I'm just at a new spot that I thought I'd try, just mainly for the view, so see how it goes. Apologies for the wind noise straight away guys as well. Jumps around a bit further just so you can see the view. Alright guys, this is one of the spots up near home. Look at that. Sorry about the wind, but absolutely beautiful. Got a bit more light now, so I'm going to try these jumps. Definitely more height. Way too windy going that way, so turn the ramps around, see what we can get going here. So I've got a strong tailwind now. Alright guys, I'll give it a few more tries, but yeah, conditions aren't great and I'm not driving well tonight. Plus the car's really had it. And it's by no means the fault of the car, it's completely me. I just can't drive. Wind's making it a bit tricky, but little old set of stairs down to the beach there. So part of the reason I keep driving the Kraton and not the Italian is this car's in such bad repair. I just want to keep it running to keep driving and practice before I break the Italian. Even though I love that car, it's amazing. It's probably my favourite Arrma now. Trying to do a reverse flip now. It's a bit of a hard landing, that one. Made it just. Try not to hit these poles, they're a kind of sacred thing, I think. love that. I'm amazed that landed full ball on that front tyre. Oh man. Yeah, so these RPM tie rods are good, but they can't handle that sort of pressure. Obviously that was a bad landing, so anyway, I might just do one more jump. This is probably going to not end well for it. Yeah, sounds crook as. Look at that. We probably should stop, but I want to just keep going. You know what it's like. I want to get one of these bickety bam jumps right. I don't normally like complaining about getting too much height, but I think this is part of the problem. These drive shafts are absolutely gone. Sounds horrific. Well guys, that'll do it I think. I don't know where that wheel nut went, but it's probably time to give it up. But anyway, hope you have a wonderful evening everyone. Thanks for watching.